In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate and flip a video clip in the CapCut mobile app. If you've ever imported footage that shows up sideways or upside down, or you want a mirrored look for creative effect, this is one of the quickest fixes you can make on your phone, and it only takes a few taps. Start by opening your project in CapCut and locating the clip you want to adjust on the timeline. Tap the video to edit it. You'll know it's selected when you see a highlight around the clip and the toolbar at the bottom updates with editing options. If you accidentally tap outside the clip and those options disappear, just tap the clip again to reselect it. Next, head over to Transform. This control lives in the bottom toolbar with the other edit tools, and it's the place where CapCut groups simple orientation adjustments. Transform is your hub for rotating a clip to fix orientation and for flipping it when you need a mirrored result. Go ahead and tap Transform to open it, then tap Rotate. Each time you tap Rotate, CapCut turns the video 90 degrees clockwise. Keep tapping until the clip looks the right way up. Watch the preview above the timeline as you rotate, and stop when faces and text read correctly. If you notice thin black bars after rotating, that's normal with mismatched aspect ratios. The content itself is still intact. At this point, press play to preview a few seconds and confirm everything looks stable. Check that the subject isn't cropped unexpectedly and that the horizon looks level. If you're working with multiple clips, repeat the same simple process. Tap the next clip to select it, head to Transform and use Rotate until each one matches the orientation you want. A quick note for creative edits. Within the same Transform panel, you'll also see Flip options. Those mirror the image left to right or top to bottom, which is helpful for stylistic choices or to correct mirrored selfie footage. That's all there is to it. Tap your clip to select it, head to Transform and use Rotate until the preview looks right. With these few taps, you can quickly fix orientation issues and keep your project looking clean and professional.